Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Apple Watch with your iPhone. Let's get started. This is Starlight Apple Watch Series 9. Let's take a look to two main functioning buttons on the side of the watch. One is digital crown and another is side button. When you hold and press side button for a while, it will start your watch. On start of my Apple Watch, it started showing low battery. So before pairing, I need to charge the watch. Now let's take a look to the magnetic charger provided along with this watch. As soon as I connected it to magnetic portion, it started charging the watch and kept connecting while pairing the watch. Once it started, it showed message to bring iPhone near to the watch. It immediately started showing Apple Watch setup pop-up on my iPhone. In case your phone do not pop up, better try to restart your phone and then bring close to your watch. During setup, few steps will keep coming on your screen. You need to read the messages and follow them to complete your full setup. I clicked on setup for myself. Immediately, galaxy kind of picture starts appearing on the watch. You need to bring your iPhone camera near to it and let it scan and pair to your watch. Your Apple Watch is paired and now you need to follow other steps like wrist preferences based on your choice. For me, it's left, so I am going to go with that. Post this, watch will try to sign in to your Apple account. This will take a while. Once done, it will prompt you to add passcode and then selection of the size of the text you would prefer on your watch. Next, it will show your personal details for your fitness and health tracking like heart rate, your workout routines, your medication. All this can be tracked by the watch. You can also enable SOS for emergency situations. Apple Watch has amazing features. You can tap using your index finger and thumb together to answer any of your calls. Now we are almost done with the last step. Watch will sync and take a while to complete the updates. You are now in the Apple Watch application on iPhone, which also includes its settings. Updates are completed on the watch. Now let's explore Apple Watch features. On launch of your watch, it will start showing some steps to navigate through your watch. Press your digital crown to see your apps. Press the crown again to go back to the watch face. Press the side button to go to the control center. Press it back to go to the watch face. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets on the watch. You can simply roll the crown or simply swipe on the watch to view all the apps on your watch. Let's test the camera app from the watch. As soon as I go to the camera app, it turns on camera on my iPhone. Now you can click photos or videos controlling from your watch. Now in this series, Siri app is also upgraded. Let's try it out. I asked about the weather and it responded pretty fast. You can now put the watch on your wrist and start using its features. The more you use, the more you get to know about its features. To open any application, just tap and swipe to use the app. You can also roll the crown and press it to bring back to your watch face. It's pretty easy and simple. My son wanted to get photographed, so I tried video and photo clicking by the watch. I found it pretty cool when you want to shoot something from a distance. This is the Starlight watch. By default comes with a theme palette, which is changeable as Apple has provided multiple inbuilt themes on the watch. You can anytime switch the themes depending on your choice. To try that out, you need to hold a press on a watch face until it starts showing different themes available. I tried Snoopy theme and clicked add to activate. I found this theme very cute and funky. It keeps changing its animation and it looks so cool. That's all I have for this video. If you have any questions about this tutorial or ran out into any trouble, do ask in the comment section. I'm happy to help you out. And do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for my latest videos. Thanks for watching.